Sorry, what God has put together, we are not putting asunder. Thank you. We'll go on to the process immediately, and we were going to say you should catch your breath, but the distance from that end to this point is not much, so you'll welcome us formally and make a few remarks before we do the book presentation. Your Excellency, sir, I think we use that end. Yes. All right, sir.
Your Excellency, our Governor, the indefatigable, the robust, the courageous, the bold, the fearless and capacity Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike. Three times Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, one-time head of state, and two-time democratically elected President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Former Governor of Ekiti State, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Right Honorable Speaker, the Chief Judge, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, including my dear wife. First, let me quickly thank our Governor and the leadership of Julius Berger in collaboration with the organizers for conspiring to make me the chairman of this particular section of the event. I feel honored to have been asked to chair this segment. I want to express my profound appreciation for what you have packaged together. Book presentation. And what is the book about? In 2015, a marriage took place. Preparedness and opportunity came together and produced Governor Wike. Governor Wike, by the special grace of God, became our timely governor in 2015. He hit the ground running. Right on the podium, after his swearing-in ceremony, he started work. He swore in an acting chief judge, and by that singular act, opened the doors of the judiciary that had been shut for upwards of 2 years. He drove from the venue straight to the site and flagged off the filling of potholes in his administration, heralding the execution of his master plan. From then on, he started work and didn't take a break, even up to the moment of the commencement of today's event. Governor Wike has been working non-stop for the past 7 years, 8 months. This event is going to tell us how much he has been able to deliver. But as a keen observer, tangential participant, I can say without any equivocation that Governor Wike has over-delivered on his promises to Rivers people. He has touched every critical sector: health, education, justice, agriculture, human capital development. In the sector of human capital development, he has broken all previous records, making Rivers State a potential medical hub for medical personnel in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But one area that not even his adversaries were able to deny him was the fact that today he stands as the #1 infrastructure development governor of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The moderator said they counted 5 bridges. I can update your record. He has delivered 10 bridges and counting, but I believe the book presenters will give more details to what he has done in the infrastructural sector. The governor has supported security agencies. That is why today you can go anywhere, anytime in Port Harcourt, in Rivers State, without fears of not getting back home. A word about books. Books originate when people write what is readable or worth reading, or when people do things that are worth writing about. But the summit is when you do things that are worth writing about and worth reading about, and go further for those things to become what will shape the future of human beings, then you can be said to be a special gift from God in the literary world. And that is what Governor Wike has done, to perform in such a way that those who put the book together found what he did worthy to write about. And this conference points to the fact that listening very intently to the eloquent delivery of our former president, highlighting the key points and the synergy between good governance, delivery of services, and the future of the people in a sustainable manner. So, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to say, before I take my seat, that Governor Wike has made Rivers people proud. And to say to the governor, we are proud of you. And to say to him, on a final note, as Nigeria struggles with yet another transition, with no clarity of tomorrow, may the Almighty God guide you. What I can say to you is that the elders and the peoples of Rivers State are in solidarity with you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your attention, and I welcome you to this exciting segment about the presentation of the book, Bridging Rivers. We have many rivers and we need many more bridges. May God bless you and give. Thank you.